Hello, in this video I will show you how to make all photos the same length in Capcut, or in other words you can say how to set durations in Capcut. So let me open my Capcut. So here I have opened my Capcut. So I'm selecting few photos. I have selected these 5 photos and put on the timelines, and when you play it you will see that the timeline duration is 3 seconds. So every 3 seconds the photo will be automatically changed. So if you want to change all photos timeline duration to 5 seconds, so what you have to do is I'm going to delete all these photos. First you need to go to the on the top bar menu and then go to the settings, and after that you need to click on the edit tab, and here you can see that where my current mouse is that image duration. So right now it is 3 seconds. No, I'm going to change it to the 5 seconds, and then you need to save. So now select again all photos. I'm selecting all these 5 photos and again put on the timelines, and here you can see that the timeline duration is now 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds the image durations will be changed. So in this way you can easily change the image durations in Capcut at once. So this is very simple and easy. So I hope this video helpful to understand the how to change the photo duration in Capcut. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.